5. Feng Shui mistakes, killing your promotion chances, and how to fix them fast. Are you working hard, doing everything right, but that long-awaited promotion still isn't happening? It might not be your boss. It could be your Feng Shui. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple mistakes that block your success energy and how to fix them so opportunities finally flow your way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to move, where to sit, and how to activate your career luck. I've met so many people, from managers to entrepreneurs, who tell me the same thing. Sandeep, I work hard, I deliver results, but I keep getting overlooked. If that sounds familiar, this one's for you. Because in Feng Shui, your environment silently influences your professional path. And if certain energies in your home or office are off balance, they can literally block your recognition and growth. Let's uncover the 5 most common mistakes. And trust me, once you fix them, your career energy will shift in days. Mistake number 1. Desk facing the wall. When you stare at a wall every day, it symbolically creates a block in your vision. You feel stuck, unsupported, and creatively limited. Here is a Feng Shui fix. Place your desk in the command position. That means, position your chair so you can see the door without being directly in line with it. This opens up your field of opportunity and allows success chi to flow freely toward you. Here is the bonus tip. Place a small picture of a mountain behind you, not in front. It represents strong backing and career stability. Mistake number 2. Cluttered work desk or file drawer. If your desk or drawers are filled with unfinished projects, broken pens, and old files, that energy translates into your work life as mental chaos and slow progress. Think of clutter like traffic in your energy highway. It delays every successful delivery. Here is a Feng Shui fix. Declutter every Friday before you end work. Keep only what you need within reach. And here's my favorite. Place a healthy green plant, like bamboo or money plant, on the left side of your desk. It activates your dragon side for growth and progress. Mistake number 3. Sitting in the poison position, back to the door. All right, let's talk about the 3rd mistake, and honestly, this might be the most critical one of all. Sitting with your back to the door. In Feng Shui, we call this the poison position, and it's just as bad as it sounds. Think about it. Do you ever get that gut feeling of being on edge at your desk? A feeling that you're being left out of the loop, or a nagging worry about what's happening behind your back? That's the energy of this position. When your back is to the door, you are in the weakest, most energetically vulnerable state possible. You have no control. You are not in command of your space. You can't see who or what is entering, which means you're always reacting to your day instead of leading it. It invites backstabbing. This is the symbolic big one. When you can't see what's coming, you make yourself an easy target for office politics, gossip, or having others take credit for your hard work. You are energetically exposed. It creates anxiety. Even on a subconscious primal level, your body knows it can be surprised. This creates a constant low-level stress that drains your energy and kills your focus. Feng Shui fix. Reposition your desk immediately. Move to the command position. This means you should be sitting so you can see the door without being directly in line with it. This move alone puts you back in control, protects your energy, and allows you to face every opportunity and person head-on. Mistake number 4. Broken chair or wobbly table. You cannot rise to a position of authority and leadership when your literal foundation is shaky, broken, or unsupportive. You're sending a message that you'll settle for less and that you aren't stable enough for the next level. Feng Shui fix. Repair or replace broken furniture immediately. Choose a solid, supportive chair with a high back. It signifies authority and protection. Mistake number 5. Mirrors reflecting your desk. This one's subtle but powerful. A mirror reflecting your desk or work area. It may seem like it doubles your productivity, but energetically it doubles your workload and stress. You might find yourself overworked, underpaid, or doing the job of two people. Feng Shui fix. If possible, move the mirror so it doesn't reflect your desk. If you can't, cover it when you're not working. You can also hang a soft crystal or wind chime nearby to balance the energy. Mistake number 6. Blocked north or career zone. In Feng Shui, the north sector of your home or office represents career and life path. If it's cluttered with laundry, storage, or unused junk, your professional flow is literally being blocked. Feng Shui fix. Clear that space completely. Add elements of water, like a small fountain, image of waves, or a blue rug. This enhances flow, networking, and recognition. Place something symbolic of your goal here, your business card, a framed certificate, or even a crystal globe. I'll share something personal. A few years ago, I worked with a client who was frustrated. 3 years in the same position, no promotion. Her north zone? Piled with unused boxes and an old treadmill. Her desk? Facing a wall. We made small shifts, repositioned her desk, cleared her north zone, added a water feature, and within 45 days, she was offered a team lead role. That's not magic. That's alignment. Feng Shui doesn't replace hard work. It just ensures your energy supports your effort. Now I want you to be honest. After hearing this list, which of these 6 mistakes are you making right now in your workspace? Let me know in the comments below and let's get it fixed. If you found this useful, you'll love my video on compass direction secrets for career success. It builds on this and shows how to activate your north, south, and northwest zones for wealth and recognition corners for faster results. And don't forget, your space is a mirror of your mind. When you shift one, the other follows. Subscribe to Feng Shui by Sandeep Raut for weekly Feng Shui videos. One step closer to harmony, success, and abundance.